Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of music not working on Magic Tiles 3. To know how to fix or how to solve music not working on Magic Tiles 3, you should just go to settings. After that you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we'll enter to the window or to the app of Magic Tiles 3 and you will enter. Then you can click on force stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again.